Hello my YouTube friends! A trick to get more views is to make sure your videos that are on the same topic are in a playlist. This makes it a lot easier for YouTube to suggest your related videos when someone watches something on your channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a playlist on YouTube, and I'm also going to show you how to use a playlist to curate what people see when they arrive on your channel. So you can have the most popular videos or videos of a certain topic that show right up and people can jump right into those playlists. So let's get to it. Whoa, hold up just a second. I know, different clothes, different hair, it's a different month. I filmed this video on December 22nd of 2020. And since adding these playlists to the channel in question, it has made a huge difference, and I thought it would be important to show you. So if you look at this graph right here, before the 22nd, this channel was essentially dead. It had a lot of older content on it. I wasn't really uploading much, but as soon as I added the old content into playlists, YouTube started to categorize that content and share it out, just giving YouTube that little bit more contextual information about the content that was in these playlists. And of course, those videos themselves really gave YouTube the extra information that they needed to start suggesting some of this content. And this channel went from basically dead, about 10 views in 48-hour period, to almost 300 views consistently in a 48-hour period. So if you have a question about whether adding a playlist and reformatting your channel the way that I have really works, hopefully this answers that question. Oh, and by the way, if you are interested in car content, definitely check out the channel. There's a link in the description. Now back to our regularly scheduled video. If you're always looking for tools, tips, and tricks to help make you a better YouTuber, subscribe to the channel and click that bell so you don't miss any new content. Playlists are a feature that a lot of creators don't use effectively on YouTube. When you set them up and use them properly, it can double or even triple the amount of content a new viewer can watch on your channel. And believe me when I tell you, YouTube likes when people spend a lot of time on your channel. This video is sponsored by TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy is a tool for YouTube that can help you get more views and subscribers. I use it before I film anything to help me find topics that are popular in my niche. This free plugin installs really easily and connects right up to your YouTube channel through the browser. Once you have it installed, you can search for topics and it's going to tell you how much search traffic there is. You can also see what the most popular videos are for each topic or keyword phrase. This makes it super easy to see what the top video titles and thumbnails look like. And you can also scout out these videos and see what their quality is and how they're filmed. And if you love TubeBuddy and you decide to upgrade, you gain access to awesome features that are going to allow you to do A/B testing on thumbnails to see which ones perform best. Search and replace features for updating descriptions with new links or text. And this makes it so easy to search through hundreds of videos and change 1 or 2 lines of text. You also get access to weighted scores that tell you which keywords are likely to resonate best with your audience. I use TubeBuddy every single day to help me rank my videos and find new keywords that people are searching for. And if you want to grow your YouTube channel, you should be using it too. A lot of the features are totally free, so there's no harm in checking it out. The links are in the description below. And now let's get back to the video. So I'm going to do this on my other channel. It's called For the Love of Cars, and if you're a car lover, you should definitely check it out. You can see I don't have any playlists on my main page. I do have a playlist created and of course my liked videos, which is private. So let's go into YouTube Studio. And the first thing I'm gonna do is go over here and click playlist on the left-hand side. And we're gonna create a new playlist. And I think this one is going to be about electric cars. And you wanna make sure that when you title your playlist, you use keywords that people are searching for. This actually does help YouTube. And we're gonna create that. And then we're gonna click this little pencil right here. And you wanna go and create a description. And in this description, you wanna use as many keyword phrases as you can that people are searching for. So for me, obviously you wanna make it relevant to the videos that are in the playlist. So in this case, this playlist is gonna kind of feature different things about electric cars, which is a searchable term. And the cars that I feature are Teslas and the new Mustang Mach-E. So I'm going to put those search terms in here as well. well, Tesla, and the Ford Mach-E. And of course you want to write this in a way that somebody would read it. You can't just put keywords in here. YouTube kind of figures that out, and that won't get you anywhere. So put some keywords in there, make a good description, and then click this little 3 dots, and we're going to go to add videos. We're going to select your YouTube videos, and now you just want to pick the videos that you want to be in this playlist. And you can select multiple videos as you see here. You just click on them. And I have 3 videos selected, and I just select add videos. Now I can go up to the top and sort. And I can sort by all kinds of different things, but I usually like to sort it by most popular. Now I'm going to go back into my playlists here, and I have an existing playlist, and you can see over here I have 1 video in there. I know I've created another video on the Corvette C8. So I'm going to click this little pencil button, and I didn't add a description to this one either, so I need to go and do that. So I'm just going to click the pencil next to description, and I'm going to type out a keyword rich description that makes it easy for YouTube to understand what types of videos are in this playlist. I'm going to use keywords like C8 Corvette, mid-engine, car lovers, affordable, mid-engine sports car. Those are all keywords and keyword phrases that people would search for. Now I just have to make sure that things are spelled properly. Spelling is definitely not my forte. And once I have my description written out, I can click save. Now I'm going to go up and click on the 3 dots, and I'm going to add a video, and I select your YouTube videos right here, and I'm going to add the other Corvette video that I've done right here. And then what I want to do is sort these up at the top, or I can just grab these 2 bars on the side and sort them that way. And I usually like to sort by most popular, like I said. And now we're all set. We have 2 playlists all set up. So what I'm going to do is click on the icon in the top right, and I'm going to go to your channel. And then I'm going to customize this channel so that our playlists show up right here on our main page. So in order to do that, I'm going to click Customize Channel. And it brings us up to this little menu here. Now, a channel trailer is something that you can add that new viewers will automatically see. I'm going to add one of those in a minute. You can also add a featured video for returning subscribers if you like. But we're going to go down here to our features section. And we already have 1 playlist in here that's automatically created called Uploads, and it just has all the newest videos in there. If I click the little 3 dots, I can remove it if I want to. I'm just going to leave it in there. And I'm going to click Add Section, and we're going to first do a popular uploads. And this is already automatically created. You just have to add it in there. And this is going to show you all the most popular videos on your channel. It'll be the first thing people see. Then I'm going to click Add Section, and we're going to add a single playlist. And I'm going to select the C8 playlist, and I can just drag this into the order that I want it. And then I'm going to add 1 more section, and we're going to add our electric cars playlist. So I just select electric cars, and it adds it right there. I'm going to drag this up above uploads, and I like to leave uploads in there so that people can see all the videos that are on the channel there. But popular is definitely usually what you want to put first. Now I'm going to go up and I'm going to edit my channel trailer. So I just click add, and it has all your videos come up here. Or if you have a lot of videos, then you might have to do a search. And I'm going to select, the video that I think represents the channel pretty well. You can add featured videos for your subscribers. I don't usually do this because the channel trailer and the featured video starts automatically, and I think that a returning subscriber can decide what they want to watch on my channel. So then I'm just going to go up to the top right, and I'm going to click this publish button, and that should save everything the way we want it. And now all I have to do is click on View Channel, and you're going to see that now we have our featured video and we have all of our playlists in the order that we selected. So now the first thing that people are going to see is our most popular uploads. And below that, they're going to be able to see the playlist that we select in the order that we select them. And this is a great way to have people binge watch your channel, because when they find your main page, they come on here, they see your popular uploads. Well, if they click on that, it's going to scroll through and it's always going to play next, which keeps them on your channel. And of course, the same thing happens with the playlists as well. When they go in there, it's always going to play next, which keeps them on your channel. And trust me, YouTube likes this. If you want more information about how to properly set up your YouTube channel to make it easier for people to find and for YouTube to suggest your content, this playlist should really help you. And if you're always looking for tools, tips, and tricks to help make you a better YouTuber, subscribe to the channel. My name is Michael Fire Jr. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.